Hello, students. Let us learn today a new chapter that is a gift of chapels. Mridu lives with her grandparents, Tapi and Tata. One afternoon, Tapi takes her to Aunt Rukumani's house, and here she meets her cousins Lalli, Ravi, and Meena. As she reaches there, her cousins wants to drag her to the backyard. Mridu takes off her slippers near a pair of large black ones on which one could see clearly marks of the toe on each slippers. Ravi and Meena drag her to the background behind a thick bitter berry bush. Here they had hidden a small kitten lapping up milk from a half coconut shell. So they wanted to show their surprise to Mridu. The children had hidden the cat from Patti because if she comes to know about the cat, she would have left the home and went to Paddu Mama's house. Therefore, children found it very difficult to arrange milk for the cat. But Ravi had to tell lies to her party that he was hungry and needed milk to drink. Ravi thought very highly about this cat and had kept its name as Mahendra Varma Pallava Punnai. He believed that the kitten was the descendant of the Pallavas lion, the Mahabalipuram Rishiket, which was the emblem of the Pallava dynasty. He does not keep a simple name for his cat but keeps a name after the Pallava dynasty. Ravi and the other children sees Lalli making all the effort to play the violin, but she could not, and Ravi says that she will never learn to play violin from the music teacher. Suddenly, they heard a voice from the gate. There was a beggar who used to come every day for the past week. Patti asked Ravi to send him away. Ravi asked the beggar to go away. The beggar was shocked that they were driving him away today and request them to let him sit there for the afternoon as it was very hot and he had blisters on the soles of his bare feet. On seeing the blisters, Mridu asked Ravi and Meena to provide him with a pair of chappals. Ravi gets the old pair of chappals and gives them to the beggar. He blesses them all and goes away. These chappals were of the music master. On finding his chappals missing, Patti gets upset and scolds Ravi. Then she brings Gopu Mama's chappals and gives to the music teacher. At the same time, she was thinking how Gopu Mama is going to react when he learns that his chappals were new pair of chappals were given to the music teacher. Children, have you understood this story? If you have not, then you have to read the lesson again and again. And I will give below the description of some words So please see the pictures and try to understand the meaning of the words. Children, we sometimes behave the way we want and put elders or ourselves in inconvenience. So before acting, let us take permission or consult our elders so that there are no problems created for us. Is it okay, students? Thank you.